Nawaambia watu wa Uganda na wa Afrika Mashariki, mkiwa mnataka uhuru yako, you must fight for it. Uhuru ya kupigania. So pigania. Sisi tuko watu wa Uganda. Sisi wote ukikuwa kwenye side yetu ama kwenye side.
Today I want to talk about why Bobi Wine had to go and learn speaking Swahili. You know, Bobi Wine wants to be the president of Uganda, but in the process he learned you can't be president of Uganda without speaking Swahili, full stop. The armed forces of Uganda speak Swahili. Their command language is Swahili, is unity. Bobi Wine realized Uganda is not only about the central region. In eastern Uganda, northern Uganda, you can campaign in Swahili and people will listen over campaigning in Uganda. So that's why Bobi Wine decided to learn Swahili. And I think we Ugandans should emulate him and copy Bobi Wine, because Swahili is a language that's neutral, that's welcomed in every part of Uganda. Let's learn the language and embrace Uganda. Thank you. Tuko pamoja and tujifunze lugha ya Kiswahili hapo Uganda. Comment na subscribe. Asante sana na bye bye.